In this video, you'll learn how to connect OpenClaw to Paperclip AI. By following these instructions, you will successfully set up the integration and configure the necessary settings for optimal functionality. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip interface. Once the page loads, look for the Issues section. This is typically located in the main navigation menu. Click on Issues to proceed. This action will direct you to the relevant area where you can manage and configure your agents. Next, you will see a prompt recommending that the CEO handle agent setup. This step is crucial as they possess knowledge of the organizational structure and can manage reporting, permissions, and adapters effectively. If you are authorized and prefer to proceed, select the option to configure it yourself by clicking on I want advanced configuration myself. After this, locate and click on OpenClaw Gateway from the list of available configurations. This selection will take you to the section specifically designed for setting up the OpenClaw integration. It is important to ensure that you are on the correct screen, as this will provide the necessary options for creating a new agent. Once on the OpenClaw Gateway page, find and click the New Agent button. This will open a new interface for you to create an agent. Ensure that you have a reliable internet connection at this point, as the loading time may vary depending on your connection speed. In the new agent creation screen, you will need to type in the name of the agent you wish to create. This name should be relevant and easy to identify for future reference. After entering the name, proceed by clicking on the adapter option to specify the type of integration you are setting up. Next, click on Adapter Type to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select OpenClaw Gateway. This step is essential for ensuring that your agent is correctly configured to communicate with the OpenClaw system. After making your selection, confirm that the interface reflects your choice before moving on. Now, click on the Gateway URL option. This is where you will input the specific URL associated with your OpenClaw setup. Ensure that the URL is accurate to avoid any connectivity issues. After clicking, a field will appear for you to enter the URL. Type in the gateway URL of OpenClaw into the designated field. Double check for any typos or errors, as an incorrect URL could hinder the connection. Once you have entered the URL, proceed by clicking on Create Agent to finalize the setup. After creating the agent, navigate to the Inbox section by clicking on it. This area will display all notifications and actions related to your newly created agent. It is essential to monitor this section for any updates or required actions. Next, find and click on Hire Agent Jarvis. This action will initiate the hiring process for the agent you just created. Ensure that you have reviewed all necessary details before proceeding. Once you have clicked on Hire Agent Jarvis, you will be prompted to approve the action. Click on Approve to confirm the hiring of the agent. This step is crucial for ensuring that the agent is officially recognized within the system. After approving, you will see a confirmation message. Click on Approval Confirmed to finalize the process. This confirmation is an important step to ensure that all actions are recorded properly. Finally, click on Open Hired Agent. This action will allow you to access the agent's dashboard and manage its settings. Ensure that everything is operational before concluding the setup process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.